Hey guys, my name is Ruchita Kohli and I'm a makeup expert at Myglamm. So today I will be showing you a quick look and you can get selfie ready in maximum 10 minutes. Using the bronzing powder from the CHISEL palette in the shade Game Face to contour my face. Highlighting my T-zone as well as my cheekbones to give more definition. Applying this beautiful pink blush on the apples of my cheeks. Using the Jet Set Eyes Kajal as eyeliner on my lips. Applying the Powder Magic in Smoky QUARTZ over my Jet Set Eyes Kajal here. Using the HD eyebrow powder to fill in the gaps in my brows. Using the THREESOME mascara on my eyelashes to give good amount of length, volume and curling. Using the Perfect Curves lipstick in the shade Cosmopolitan for my lips. This is my final look. If you like this look, kindly subscribe to our YouTube channel and you can like, comment and share.